everybody, Jandareview, and today we are at H RVs here in Haleyville, Alabama. Now today we are excited to do a brand new floor plan from Forest River. So this is a 2023 Sabre, model number 38RLH. So let's get started. The length on this Sabre is 43 feet, 3 inches. The dry weight is 12,038 pounds, and that hitch weight is 2,065.
Okay, well let's just start right over here on this side, show you some of the storage. Here's going to be your wet bay, and this is part of your storage.
There we go.
Big storage.
And excuse this one, it just came in on delivery.
Literally has just come off transport, so the dealership hasn't even had a chance to go through it yet. We kind of beat them to the draw. Super. All right, let's walk around and show you the campsite. You'll see this is going to have a very nice long power awning with an LED light strip. Right up here at the front, we'll see if this one's open. It is. Okay, your spare, your batteries are going to go right up here.
Auto leveling.
Auto leveling, all right here at the front. Very convenient. Here's going to be your second propane.
We'll go ahead and open that. There we go.
Got a little outside kitchen, got a sink with a fridge.
That's all right there.
And you do have, it does have a light.
Yep.
Like I said, this one literally has just come off transport, so they haven't even had a chance to rinse it off yet. This is going to be the other side of your huge pass-through storage.
It's big.
Very big. All right, well, let's go inside and take a look at this brand new Sabre. Okay. In some ways it is a traditional layout, but there's some new aspects to it. So we'll start right back here. At the very back of your coach, you're going to have a tri-fold sofa with some storage up above it.
Wow, tall storage.
Very tall storage. There's one of your AC units, and you will see that this is going to have a ceiling fan in it.
They like the little lights.
I do like these sconces. Those are, they're unusual. I like them. You're going to have end tables on both sides, power outlets, USB, some little storage on both sides. So great use of space. In your slide, nice big windows. You have your theater seating with cup holders. And this is going to have the zebra shades, so we're not going to move them very fast. They can make you a little bit dizzy. Also in your slide, you're going to have a table with 2 chairs and a bench. So you're going to be able to move that bench around, use it wherever you need it. If you happen to sit in the theater seating, this is what you're going to see. Your big TV swivels. Does it pull out?
Yes.
Yes.
I mean, it pulls out.
Pulls out, swivels. Looks like there's some storage.
Got storage behind it.
There is storage behind it. Great. Storage up above it.
Yep.
Yes. Got a couple of drawers down here.
Yep.
Fireplace for some additional heating. And you'll see instead of the traditional island in the bar, you've got more of a U-shaped kitchen. So that gives you some storage here at the end.
Wow.
This would be a great serving bar if you had people over and you were doing a little mini buffet. Perfect. Perfect area. Yes.
Solid surface.
They give you a plug-in and a USB on this side of your island. Some nice accent lighting.
Heating ducts are, well, there's one in the island.
Yes, right down there. We did say that this is solid surface. Nice large single bowl sink with a high-rise faucet. You've got storage right there at the end. And
drawers here. Got a little place under there.
Great.
Got a little storage up under here. Up here, there it is. Big microwave again.
Yeah, we have pointed that out a couple of times. I think the microwaves have definitely gotten bigger. 3-burner cooktop.
Yep.
With an oven.
And
oh, it does have a matching drawer at the bottom. Yep. Oh, and there's the turntable for your microwave. You know, this used to be a feature several years back, these little accent windows, and I'm really glad they're bringing them back because that gives you some natural light. Like I said, it just came off transport, so everything's still kind of taped up, but you've got a nice 4-drawer, 2-drawer with 4. Yeah, it's one of these refrigerators.
There we go. Yeah.
One that's fancier than what we have in our house, so therefore I can't describe it. Right over here, you're going to have a nice pantry area. Some storage up here. And this would also make a great coffee nook if you need it.
And that put all my little K-cups right in there.
Exactly. And USB port. Your fuses are going to be housed down here, so they're out of the way.
There.
All right, well, let's start down the hall. This was actually a little bit of a surprise for me. I was not expecting this. This is going to be a half bath.
This is pretty cool.
So you've got your sink over here with some storage down below it. Not a whole lot, but you got a little bit in there. Ooh, well, that's good storage right there.
Wow.
And your foot flush toilet is here, so you got plenty of leg room. So that's,
and your little tank monitoring is right here, so that's pretty cool.
Wow. So usually you don't have quite that much space in a half bath. So let's go on up the stairs and go into the master bedroom. You are going to have a king-size bed on a slide.
Wow.
With a little storage shelf right up above it.
Well,
now,
let's go ahead and see what's under here first. Oh, yeah.
Wow, yeah, good storage under the bed. This
oh my dear goodness
is huge. This is above your half bath. Wow, that is just a huge storage area. You could get all kinds of extra bedding, pillows, all kinds of stuff.
Christmas tree.
You could get a tree up there. Here's your second AC unit.
Yep.
And right here at the foot of the bed, they give you a 3-drawer dresser.
There we go.
Super nice. And your TV, if you want to mount it, will actually go right up here. There's your hookups for that.
We said that?
Yes.
Second air?
Second air.
Okay. All right.
Now, it may be wintertime in the south, but it's going to be hot one day.
Nice
so give you a sliding door for your front bath.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, huge shower. Huge. Wow. Jeremy is 6 feet tall. So even with that extra skylight up there, plenty of headroom in here. There's your water heater. Yes.
Yep.
Yes, water
heater.
Young. Right above a foot flush toilet.
Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness. Let's get started here.
Over here, you've got. Okay, I don't know if I could back up enough to get all of that in one shot, but it is a medicine cabinet all the way across the wall. Very big drawers.
And that's not all. We still got
cabinet
down below.
Some down here. And they give you 2 these are probably the 2 biggest sinks I've ever seen in one bathroom. That's amazing. And you have all of this counter space.
That is nice.
That is super nice. Well, let me turn around and see what's right behind me here. Ooh, another closet that is washer dryer prepped. So you can put a stackable in here, a combo in here, or leave it just like it is for storage.
Now,
we're still not finished.
Oh my goodness. I was hoping it had a light, but I don't see one.
Okay, well here at the very, very front, you're going to have your main master bedroom closet. You've got your nice big shelf, hanging, spot for shoes, and it's just a really good size closet. And it is on sliding track, kind of a barn door style. So, let's see if I can get you.
There's the latch
And
right
then
there.
it'll close right down there.
And you do have heating vent right behind the toilet here.
Yeah, there it is. That's a very good
Okay.
place for it.
Yep.
All right, just look at all of that floor space though in that
Wow.
bathroom. That's just huge,
That's
huge.
amazing.
Wow. Well, we are so excited to be able to show you this brand new floor plan from Sabre.
All right, everybody. If you like this fifth wheel, this big Sabre fifth wheel, the dealership's information will be down in the description below. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe and follow along with us. Thanks, everybody.